I invest almost everything about me in Ghana, and the reason why I invest mostly in Ghana than Nigeria, my country, is what I will be telling you guys. Oh, hey guys, hi. Are you all doing? Happy summer, guys. Are you coping with this weather, guys? Trust me, honestly, the weather is so hot, guys. Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my channel, my name is Maria Omo Family TV, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell that will always update you of my new upload. Okay guys, where you will be getting the fact from. Okay guys, so the reason why I just concentrate investing in Ghana instead of Nigeria, guys, is what I will be telling you guys today. Oh my god. Okay guys, let's jump on it, guys. Before we jump on it, guys, let me appreciate my supporter all over the world. Oh my god, guys, may God in heaven bless you. Okay guys, all my supporter viewer all over the world, may Heavenly Father bless you guys, because the way you guys are really supporting me, guys, I don't even expect it, guys. That is the way you guys support me. Honestly, I appreciate it, guys. I am not taking it for granted, guys. Okay, I am not taking it for granted, trust me. Okay guys, in today, so I will be telling you guys why I decided to invest much about me in Ghana. Number one of the reason is I just find Ghana. I'm just comfortable there. Yes guys, that is 99% comfortable investing in that land, that mother's land. You know, as they always say, Ghana is a mother's land. Honestly, it's true, guys. It's a mother's land. Because why I said it's true is that, you know, we mother, we have that heart of gold, you know. Sometimes, because I just want to describe it. Why? Is did a mother's land? Yes guys, I know what I am talking about. You know, sometimes maybe your kids can just say, daddy, I need this thing. Sometimes daddy will just shout and say, no, you don't need it. You know, we mom, we don't say no. We can just find one or two ways to excuse that thing, to just make that your son or daughter happy. That is just our character as a mom. So Ghanaians, they are just like that. Okay, investing in Ghana, guys, is not that expensive. It's not that expensive. If you are doing anything in that country, nobody's gonna come for you and say, you have not paid for this, you have not paid for this, you have not paid for this elderly man, you have not paid for this chief title, you have not paid for this chief community, you have not paid for this area boys, you have not paid for the widow in this area. Nobody's gonna interrupt you, guys. That is just the amazing part of it. Soon, if it's a building you want to achieve in Ghana, soon as you buy that land, you can just go to court, do the necessary documents on it. Chicken. Yes guys, nobody's gonna take it from you. No, this court document is illegal, it's not the real one, this one. Or maybe, you know, in our country, sometimes about 4 or 5 people will be dragging for one land, and then we hold the same thing. You can't even differentiate it. You can't even differentiate the owner. You can't say this one is the owner, this one is the owner. Okay, but in Ghana, when you just take all the documents to court and do the necessary thing, guys, trust me, nobody is going to come for you for that land. Nobody is going to come for you. So and when you are working in your site or wherever, you know, it's okay, wherever, no area boys is going to come to interrupt you. Nobody is going to call you and say, and we are working in the site. Area boys just come and said we should pay. We have not paid this community. We have not paid this community. We have not paid this. Nothing like that, guys. Nothing. That's what I love most to invest in Ghana, because I really, it's my home. I find peace living with them. I find joy, I find joy spending the rest of my life with them, guys. Yes, the truth have to be told. They are just so unique. They are real. When they want to do anything for you from their heart, guys, trust me, they are going to do it from the bottom of their heart. That is the reason why I love them so much. And sometimes when my cousin brothers, my two cousin brothers, my first cousin brothers, two of them are living in Ghana. They are living in Accra. The other one is living in Taekwondo, something like that. Yeah, you know, the way they bust my head with that is, it really make me. If they will say, auntie, come and do this here. Don't do it in Nigeria, auntie. Please come and do it here. They are really giving me inspiration. They are giving me morale, and they are really making me to love Ghana every day. They do even make me to feel, what did I do to myself? Why did I get married to Ghana? Why my kids are Ghanaians? They just take that mentality away from my head. You know, it's not easy as a Nigerian woman having Ghanaian kids. You know how it is. You know, my country with our big mouth, guys. Don't forget that. Yes, the truth have to be told, guys. You know, we Nigeria have big mouth, you know. We are just too full of ourselves. Yes, guys. You know how it is. Nigerian woman having Ghanaian kids. It's just something like you did a thing that nobody have ever done. Yes, the way that we look at you, the way that we just describe you, but we don't really care. We that get married to outside Nigeria, we don't really care. The most important thing, we are okay, we are comfortable, we are not hungry, we are not asking those people that always criticize for any help, any assistance from anywhere. We are just content with the little we have. Yes, that will be my next topic next time. Why I am really happy to get married to a Ghanaian. Yes, guys, I will be telling you, my fans. Honestly, I will not hide anything for you guys. My channel is Maria Omo Family TV, and I'm not going to skip my family out of it, guys. No, I'm going to tell you guys the beginning of the journey. Yes, guys. Yes, there is no negativity in this channel, guys. It's just real. Everything you see in this channel, guys, trust me, it's real. Yes. So, guys, I will be telling you guys soon the journey. Yeah, I am so proud and I'm happy to be a Ghanaian. Yes, guys. You know, sometimes in life, it's just like when we are growing up that time, there is one on this they call mother care that time. You know, when your mom buy you that mother care, you never love the ones you have. Only that mother care, you will wash it and wear it. Wash it and wear it. That is just the way I love Ghanaians. Yes, guys, I do. People, my friends, they don't know. They will say, oh, you are just too brave. I said yes, because before I go for it and said yes, this is where I belong, I already know that. Yes. So, guys, let's back to my topic, guys. Please, it's not my fault, okay, guys? Pardon me. I can't just explain it. Yeah. So, guys, if you want to invest in Ghana, maybe you are not a Ghanaian, you are a Nigerian woman, you are scared. It's very, very affordable, guys. Everything about it is just genuine, it's real. Got it and do the necessary documents. You are done. Nobody's going to come and say, you did come in time to come and do it. Now it's not for you. We have sold it. Let's take you to another place to go and cut for you. Guys, there is nothing like that. Nothing like that, guys. That is just the amazing part of it. You know where we are coming from. When you bought a plot of land and you have all the necessary documents with you, and that during that process, maybe you don't have money to lay your foundation and start your building. You can just say, okay, no problem, let me go and work for 2-3 months to raise money, then I can start my foundation. Before you will come back, maybe you will meet another, you will just meet foundation in your plot of land. When you go and meet the owner and say, he will say, oh, I'm sorry, it's the owner now, what will happen? I will take you inside to go and give you another plot of land. When you say, give me my money, trust me, he's not going to give you that money. Maybe we take you to one bush to go and give you a plot of land, and you will take it because you don't want your money to go in vain, because you cannot do anything about it. Even if you involve anybody, they are not going to help you. That's why I find it comfortable investing in Ghana. Yes, guys, very, very amazing, very, very amazing, affordable, easy go, everything is just beautiful. It's not like it's like you are not doing anything. Meanwhile, your investment is just going like boom. That is the reason why I love Ghana so much. That mother's land, here I go. I love it. I love it. Guys, when I travel to Ghana, trust me, it's going to be everyday vlog. Even if I am sleeping, I'm going to vlog it. Anything I'm doing, if I'm traveling to Accra, Kumasi, Taekwondo, Kofodia, all those places, you know, trust me, guys, I am with my camera, and I even told myself, I said, if we are going, I'm going to buy you a big camera, so we are going to do a lot of things, because you know how mommy love Ghana so much. So guys, that is what I came to tell you guys today. So if you are interested, guys, please don't think twice, go for it. Yes, go for it. Ghana is on top now, and the amazing part, they are just developing each daily. Every blessed day, Ghana are developing like, I don't know, like boom. Our Nigerians living there, they can't even hold it. Because sometimes I don't follow their channel as well. They can't even hold it. They must come out to tell you, you know now, when you are free movement, nobody's going to harass you, nobody's going to insult you, you know, harass, insult. Are they not the same? Yes, they are the same. Oh, almost stop it now. Just stop this your bragadosh now. Pardon, guys. So yeah, so guys, nobody's going to harass you. No police is going to molest you, going to say this, that. Hell no. Going to go for your daily activity. You come back in peace. The most important thing, don't involve in any crime. Just do your thing legitimate. That's why my friends schooling there said they are just behaving like Europe. Don't involve in crime. Do the necessary thing, then you enjoy your stay. Even soon, guys, I will be celebrating with my girlfriend because she'll be driving in Ghana. Very soon she'll be driving, because everything she just acquire it. I love brave people. Yes, that's why I love to move with brave, intelligent, gallant people, so that I can learn more from them. My Ghanaian followers, okay guys, so let's end it here, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Please guys, always thumbs up my video for me. Drop amazing comment, guys. What I just deliberate on now, please drop the comment, because that means I am investing in Ghana, because it's my home. Okay guys, so see you all in my next video. Bye bye.